SkillsUSA is a partnership of students, teachers, and industry working together to ensure America has a skilled workforce. SkillsUSA helps each student excel by providing educational programs, events, and competitions that support career and technical education in the nation's classrooms.
The Massachusetts State Leadership Conference and Skills Champions is the annual showcase for students enrolled in vocational, technical, and health education.
SkillsUSA empowers its members to become world-class workers, leaders, and responsible American citizens.
In April of 2018, Nashoba Valley Technical High School brought a delegation of 25 students to compete in the state leadership and skills competition held in Marlborough, Massachusetts.
Of those 25 students, 7 came home with medals. Rachel Cieslik, McMaster, and Adam Kubasti won a bronze medal in the Arts and Communication Career Pathway Showcase. Ashley Conrad and Rachel Thompson won a bronze medal in Audio and Radio Production Competition.
Jenna Thompson took home a silver medal in commercial baking. Jason Genrin won a gold medal in information technology services and also qualified to compete in the SkillsUSA national competitions at Louisville, Kentucky in June of 2018.
Thank you for watching this episode of Viking360. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for additional content.
For more information about Nashoba Valley Technical High School, go to www.nashobatech.net.